Hello, how you doing today again? Welcome to another episode of Ubuntu and Open Source. I found something while surfing the internet. uCareSystem-Core version 3.0 released and available in PPA. So the introduction talks about this here. For those who do not remember, when you run uCare, it will automatically and without any intervention perform some basic maintenance processes which otherwise you would need to perform them one by one. So there is a terminal version, and it has briefly the uCareSystem-Core automatically performs the following processes: updates, downloads and install updates, checks if there are any old kernels, uninstalls them. Then it goes on to say, don't worry, it keeps the current one in one previous version and deletes all the previous ones. Clears and retrieves packages, uninstalls packages that are obsolete, uninstalled orphan packages, deletes package settings that you have previously uninstalled. So I thought this is pretty cool. So I'm going to give this a try to install it. So what I was surfing, let me see. What I was surfing was I was checking LXLE. Seeing if they have an updated version yet, but it's still at 16.04. And where I came across, here we go, it talks about some of its key features, and one of them was this right here, their uCareSystem-Core Update Manager. I was like, oh wow, really? So this is how I found it and came across it. So do you want the dev package? You can do just a dev package. Or you can do the PPA package, which is what I am going to do. And we're both learning all about this to see if it's going to work live. I mean, right here. Not live, but I haven't done this yet. I haven't installed it yet. So I thought we'd learn about this together. So some people like to do a lot of their maintenance to their Linux computer, and some of us don't. Like, I know about uninstalling an obsolete package. You can do that with Synaptic, and you can do that with orphan packages with Synaptic as well. Doing the Linux kernels, not so easily. Yeah. And obviously, there's the updater, software and updates. Where to go? Software updater. I mean, so we can do that. It's all the other things that as a home user, really don't think about all that much other than getting it updated. So when I found this and that it does it all of it automatically, and It's without intervention. You just run the command that it shows down here. As soon as we get it installed. And now you run it as follows: sudo uCareSystem-Core, and it will do everything. But first, you got to get it installed. Yes. And obviously, it's not that big of an app. There we go. It seems like it's already done. So let's go ahead and run it and see what happens. Now down here, I've ran the video, but you can't see it now. We'll start in 5 seconds. So it's doing the updates. And there shouldn't be any because I just finished updating it. Here you can see it's doing kernels and stuff and done. Okay, so what does the printout say? Finish updating packages and system libraries. Done, 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 done. Obviously, like I just said, 0 upgrade, 0 newly installed, 0 to remove, and 0 not upgraded because I just finished doing that. And this is a fresh install, so there shouldn't be any kernels for removal or anything like that. So that's good to know. It's still doing its thing. It's right. Finish removing old kernels. Done, 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 done. And 0, 0, 0, 0. Finish removing used config files. Well, it's a brand new system. There shouldn't be anything to remove. Nothing that I have taken out that should be removed. Cleaned, downloaded temporary packages. Now, sometimes Synaptic will create temp files, or other installs will create temp files, and it just leaves them there. Clean downloaded temporary packages. Clean to see if a reboot is required. Well, it should not, since, like I said, I just updated it. So cool. So this is something to keep in mind if you have it installed, to run it every now and then. I like it. There is instructions if you want to get more advanced, other than just running a terminal command every now and then. Talks about up here. Where'd it go? I think I passed it. You can use it along with PC shutdown command, so when it has finished maintenance, it will shut down your computer. An example command would be sudo uCare-core, uCareSystem-Core, and sudo shutdown -h now. If you are in more advanced than just a home user, a home end user, and you have more than that going for you, you can configure it in the cron job and let it automatically run. For example, every 2 days at 11 p.m. in the background. So if you're a little bit more of a geek than a Linux home end user, you can put it in a cron job too. So There you go, uCareSystem-Core. Thank you.